Since December of 2019, SGA has been pursuing a project on beautifying TJ's lecture hall by outfitting the walls with a 4 feet by 32 feet mural. The mural consists of 4 unique themes: robotics, astronomy, the jungle, and the ocean. The mural's design has been facilitated and led by 2 senior artists, Forrest Meng and Tammy Ding, alongside 8 other student artists, notably freshmen.
It was pretty interesting how like they were really interested in helping out with this mural when I guess they haven't even walked in the TJ hallways yet. It's kind of interesting how like not that many juniors and seniors applied, but many more of like the freshmen applied.
We definitely got a lot more applications than I thought because like painting the mural is a really time consuming process. So I'm actually like really surprised.
Gathering volunteers for a large project like the mural would appear difficult, but many TJ students like Evelyn were eager to jump on the opportunity.
They showed examples of panels that they've drafted, and one of those was the astronomy panel. So I thought it looked really cool with its color scheme and like the TJ building like on the side. And I thought that'd be really cool to paint on like a huge canvas because the canvas would be it's both taller and wider than me.
Each of the 8 student volunteers have contributed much of their time in the past few months. They have all committed to meeting once a week in 3-hour intervals, while adhering to COVID-19 protocols. Prior to joining this project, each of the volunteers have had a deep passion for painting. When working with other painters, they have to find a way to blend their unique art styles.
Our art styles are slightly different, but I think that's why we need a team to bring in different opinions and to find the best way to paint the mural. And I think all these different art styles will make the final design more creative and integrated with personality.
We have these style differences, subtle style differences, and like brush strokes and all of that stuff. We wanted to keep the teams distinct. So my team would be the same 5 people working on panel 1 and panel 3, while Tammy's team would be the same 5 people working on panel 2 and panel 4.
With their varying art styles, the artists work together to paint the 4 themes of the mural that represent subjects that TJ students take interest and excel in. Each of the painters reflect on what this mural has meant to them.
I've really enjoyed the time spent painting with other people, and most of the students that I am painting with are new, like I've never met them before, and these people are mostly upperclassmen, so it's really nice to see and learn from their confidence and leadership.
It's like a break from the chaotic school week. I'm pretty sure like our painters are very capable, and we all are very efficient and very effective in working with each other. So when it's unveiled, I'm pretty sure that we'll all be proud of what we've done.
SGA plans to have the mural finished by March of 2021. Once it is unveiled, it will decorate the previously bland lecture hall and be seen by anyone on school campus. So be on the lookout for a new mural in TJ's lecture hall.